All right, as you know, we have a camper, and I'm always looking for stuff to put in the toolkit for the camper. And I saw this. I bought a couple other things that were LEXIVON, and I saw this, so I figured I'd pick one up for the camper. It's a 10-inch chopping axe, LEXIVON LXV10. 10 evidently represents the length. And so let's open it up and see what it looks like. But here we go. All right, so let's open the box and see what we have in here. Very highly trained box opener that I am. Let's just pull this sucker out and see what we got. So anyways, LEXIVON 10-inch chopping axe that has a protective shield on it. There you go. That's what it looks like. This must be the guard. So anyways, let's take a little closer look at this. So it says V10 right on there, LEXIVON. It says chopping, balance, 1 pound blade, and then it's got the guard on there. So let me figure out how to get this out of here. Looks like it's got some kind of safety, but I'm gonna get this out and we will put the guard on and I will show you what it all looks like. After closer examination of this particular thing, it says to cut that tab off and then you can remove it from here. And like I said, this is the blade guard that's also on there, so I'll cut that loose. But I don't think I'm gonna keep this to store it in. I think I'm gonna just put it in my toolkit in the fifth wheel. So there you go, just a second. All right, I cut that little tab off and I also cut the blade protector away. So here we go, this slides. And then I think you can just remove the axe straight out of this holder. I'll have to decide. But as you can see, it's got a pretty ergonomic grip. It's good, feels got a good heft to it. And as I was saying, you know, it's good enough for my fifth wheel. It's not like I'm gonna go cut down an apple tree or something with it, but there you go. That's what it looks like. And there's supposedly the blade guard, but oh, I see how it works. It opens up like this, pa-ba, and then you can insert the blade in there and close it up and it protects. So there you go. If you're looking for a little chopping axe for hiking or your RV or just to keep in your truck, there you go. LEXIVON LVX10, I think. LXV10. So there you go. Hopefully this helps you out if you're looking for one.